in the countryside of Texas, were two gangs. And among them lived a legend named Jack, who had never lost a race. He had a lovely son named Matt. And one day the rival gang leader challenged Jack to another race. Being the leader of the gang, Jack had to accept his challenge. So the race begins. The rival leader tried to get ahead of Jack. But Jack was just too good for him. His son was having the best time of his life. After the first lap, things had gotten heated up between the two racers, which made the rival leader very frustrated. So he came up with a decisive plan. The rival leader had done a cowardly thing, and fate wasn't sweet to Jack. He left his son with nobody to take care of him. But his son had made up his mind to avenge his father's death by being the best and to earn a name for himself.